Features with you search may be in AirOrig Portable Air Conditioners, 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioners. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including AirOrig Air Conditioner tackles the heat with a powerful 8000 BTU cooling capacity that quickly cools down your room. Having an air conditioner in your room will keep you cool, comfortable, and relaxed, especially during those hot summer months. But if you have a smaller room, installing a wall-mounted AC unit might be unnecessary. If you want to keep your room cool without the need to permanently install a large air conditioner, this portable AC unit is the answer. Just roll it into the room, attach the included hose and window adapter to a double hung or sliding window, and start cooling. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins. Built-in dehumidifier. 5 more pints of moisture would evaporate every hour when using dehumidify mode, helping to reduce airborne moisture in muggy and sticky weathers. Remote control and control panel. While you're cooking, there's no need to get up while watching TV. It can be easily operated by remote control. 24-hour programmable timer. Schedule the device to deliver the coolness at any time in your room before going home. Or use the 24 hours on-off timer to turn off after you fall asleep comfortably without worrying about energy charge. 360 degrees pulley. The 4 caster wheels increase the mobility of this air conditioner so you can easily move it from room to your ideal location anytime. Easy to clean. Preserve air quality with our washable and reusable filter. It protects your family and living space from dust and pet hairs. We strongly recommend that you clean your air filter every 2 weeks of operation for optimum performance. Child lock mode. Child lock function prevents accidental touch from shutting down the machine. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.